All right, it's no secret the US government has been using artificial intelligence for years now. But what is new is that they are using it to fly military jets for a shocking amount of time. I'm the CyberGuy. DARPA and the Air Force revealed that last year they successfully completed their first test flights of a specialized F-16 fighter jet controlled by AI algorithms. Although there were pilots in the cockpit, they were only there for safety, just in case something went wrong, yet were not actually flying the jet. This marks the first time AI has operated a tactical aircraft, and this F-2 fighter jet, called Vista X-62A, was flown for more than 17 hours after taking off at Edwards Air Force Base in California. This AI algorithm was developed and tested by what's known as ACE, or the Air Combat Evolution, from DARPA. Using this artificial intelligence allowed them to get ahead on missions and training. Now, could American AI bots flying fighter jets ever be hacked by the enemy? I have so many questions. What do you think of artificial intelligence being implemented by the military and in the sky? Let me know over at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.